आज आप सभी के सामने हैं क्लास 10th इंग्लिश रीडर विद द फोटोग्राफर चैप्टर के वर्कबुक आंसर्स। तो इस वर्कबुक आंसर में पहले हम देखेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस को, फिर रीड करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। पहले मैं आपको शो करने वाला हूँ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के आंसर। फर्स्ट का आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबाव। सेकंड का आंसर ब्रेकिंग इनटू द प्राइवेट स्पेस ऑफ द फोटोग्राफर। थर्ड का मेटाफर। Fourth, to get the right angle for clicking the photo. Fifth, his face was wrong. Sixth का आंसर है altering the narrator's photo according to his own perception of beauty. Seventh question का आंसर the photo was not matched to his real self. Eighth का आंसर है ears. Ninth का exactly like his own. 10th the narrator's mouth. 11th the act of retouching his photo by the photographer. 12th option number C 3 4 2 1. 13th आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी। आते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फॉर whom does the narrator wait for an hour? Why and what does it suggest about the person for whom he has to wait? यहाँ पर नरेटर 1 घंटे से किसका इंतजार कर रहे थे और क्यों? इससे क्या पता लगता है उस इंसान के बारे में जिसका नरेटर इंतजार कर रहे थे? आंसर द नरेटर वेट द फोटोग्राफर फॉर एन आवर। इट सजेस्ट दैट द फोटोग्राफर इज अनप्रोफेशनल, डज नॉट वैल्यू द नरेटर्स टाइम। यहाँ पर नरेटर फोटोग्राफर का 1 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहे थे अपना फ़ोटो क्लिक कराने के लिए। यहाँ से हमें ये पता चलता है कि जो फोटोग्राफर है वो अनप्रोफेशनल है और वो नरेटर के जो समय है उस पर उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं समझता। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ मैगजीन्स डिड द नरेटर रीड? आंसर द नरेटर रीड मैगजीन्स लाइक द लेडीज कंपेनियन फॉर 1912, द गर्ल मैगजीन फॉर 1902 एंड द इन्फेंट जर्नल फॉर 1888. It suggests that the photographer may have outdated or irrelevant reading material, indicating his lack of concern for contemporary interests. Third question, what is the unwarrantable thing that the narrator has done and how? Answer the unwarrantable things the narrator has done is breaking into the privacy of the photographer's scientific pursuit by intruding into his studio. Fourth question, why does the narrator say with a face like mine? What does it suggest about the narrator? Answer, the narrator says with a face like mine to imply that his appearance is not a typical or attractive, suggesting he may have low self-esteem or be self-conscious about his looks. Question number 5, what were the man's scientific pursuit? Answer, the photographer depicted as a natural scientist absorbed in own experiment, neglect the need of other, including the narrator, who is his customer. Despite the narrator present and request, the photographer remained engrossed in his scientific endeavors, showing little regard for customer service or attentiveness. Except second question number 1, what does the photographer want to do with the machine? Who has asked him to do that and why? Answer, the photographer wants to click the photo with the machine. The narrator has come to his studio and asked him to get photo clicked. He wanted to have a picture of himself that would be a true copy of himself and his friend would value after he was no more with them. Second question, what does the photographer remain inside the machine just for a second? What does it suggest about the photographer? The photographer remains inside the machine just for a second to quickly assess the lighting and composition before making adjustment. This suggests he values his own standard over capturing real moments. Third question, with the photographer entered into the machine of the second time, what does he remain there for a long than before? Why does the narrator think that he was praying? Answer: the photographer remained inside the machine for a longer time during the second attempt to ensure the perfect setting for the photograph. The narrator thinks he was praying due to the photographer's silence and concentration. Why does the photographer look very grave? Answer: the photographer's serious expression reveals his dissatisfaction with the narrator's face as he criticizes various features frustrated the narrator assert his dignity firmly, telling the photographer to stop the complaints. He emphasized that it's his face lived in for 40 years before abruptly standing up from his seat. Fifth question: what do you think about the photographer from his activities in the extract? The photographer's unprofessional behavior is clear from the start. He makes the narrator wait for an hour and lack basic manner with dealing with customer, showing disrespect towards them. Extract 3. To whom does the narrator say stop? What does he ask him to stop? In what mode is the narrator in this extract? Answer: the narrator says stop to the photographer, ask him to halt his excessive retouching and manipulating of the photograph. The narrator is like feeling frustrated or indignant. What does the narrator say about his face? Answer: the narrator says to the photographer that it was his face and he had been living with it 40 years. He means that he is aware of his fear and its shortcomings. He also accepts his physical appearance and his feature as it is. Question number 3. Why does the narrator feel a break in his voice? But then how does he goes about it? Answer: the narrator feels a break in his voice, possible due to emotional strain or frustration. Despite this, he maintains his composure and continues to assert his identity and autonomy. What does the narrator mean by saying that he has learned to love it? What does it suggest about the narrator? Answer: the narrator's statement about learning to love his face suggests a journey towards self-acceptance, appreciation of his own unique feature. Fifth question: the narrator asks the photographer if his machine is too narrow. What does he mean when he says so? Do you agree with his point of view? Answer: when the narrator asks if the machine is too narrow, he questions the photographer's method or standards. Whether one agree depend on their perspective or natural versus manipulated beauty. Extract 4. Question number 1. Whom does the narrator interrupt and why? Answer: the narrator interrupts the photographer to express his frustration and disappointment with the process. Why does the narrator speak to him with a withering scorn? In what mood was the narrator in this extract? Answer: the narrator speaks with withering scorn to convey his strong emotion and dissatisfaction with the photographer's action. He is likely feeling angry or disillusioned. Question number 3. What kind of photograph does the narrator wish to have? Was it up to his expectation? Answer: the narrator wishes to have a photograph that reflects his true self, but feel disappointed with the photographer's manipulation have distorted his appearance. Question number 4. Why does the narrator describe his face as a humble gift? What does it suggest about the narrator? Answer: the narrator describes his face as a humble gift to emphasize its natural, unaltered state. It suggests that he values authenticity and rejects artificial enhancement. Next है give a character sketch of a narrator. Answer: the narrator of the story was a 40-year-old man. He wanted to get his photo click, a photo that would exactly like him. He wanted to have a picture of himself as he is. He has no complaint of his look. He was happy with his feature and his looks. He had self-awareness and acceptance of his shortcomings and his looks. He was also a calm and composed man. He had control over his temper too. तो वीडियो की हमारी एक आंसर यहीं पर कंप्लीट होती हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.